got some pretty big poles. Off of Ding Dong's pot stick over there.
I don't like it.
Utter chaos. A bunch of friggin' degenerates. Oh, I don't feel good. Time did you get up? An hour ago?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Right after me.
Figured I would have heard you. I was definitely awake. Going to Olympia? Cody? Europe? Olympia, Europe? Is that a thing? Europe.
It's a good group of boys. We're all gonna die together out here.
Day 2 has begun. Quick lunch stop, back on the road. So this chip's like a smoothie.
Right now.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys.
We just have really small hands, that's all.
Yeah.
Actually that big. That's why I married a lady with small hands. Like waffles in stick form.
What's the difference between a breakfast churro and a regular churro?
No.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Mushrooms on that? Gross.
Oh, yeah. It's the spot.
Campground 2. Where's this, Olympia? No? We're Olympia adjacent.
Pretty much Olympia. The airport is right next to us.
Oh, cool. So there's an airport.
Well, that way. It's
What's gonna wake us up first, the rooster or the airplanes or the goats? Yeah, there's several goats over there. And then a jackass. See what I did there? Oh, sorry Max, I love you. So we put Max over here because he snores. All right, let's set up our... All right, little spit and it'll fit. Oh, there we go. Perfect. All right, who wants a hot Coors?
For a hot bud. Hot cider.
Huh?
That one sounds actually way better. Yeah.
Well, because you could have a hot apple cider. That's a real thing.
Right.
Someone gives you a warm beer, you're like, thought we were friends.
Yeah.
Well, these are like hot. Like not undrinkably hot, but they're not gonna be good, nobody. Still gonna be better than a Canadian banquet. Well, this campground comes with its own zoo, which is pretty cool. There's goats and chickens, which is still kind of cool. Hey, goats. Hey, Wes. The goats don't want to come over and say hello. I know.
Did you ask them?
Yeah, I said, hey, what's up, goats?
Well, that's not polite.
Well, there's several chickens also.
Maybe you gotta ask the chickens to ask the goats. Did you say Billy?
Oh, I didn't say Billy. Bill. Billiam.
What's this thing?
You want to come play with your toy? Come play with Wesley? Hi, goat.
How are you, buddy?
Oh, we got a whole family. Oh, look at the little babies. What up, dude? What up, Billy? You want some straw? Hello.
Side eye me.
Your little babies. What was your babies, Billy?
You're welcome.
You pet these things? They bitey?
No, they're not bitey.
I guess to be a sign that says do not pet.
They're rammy.
Yeah, just don't get within ramming distance. Hi, Bilbo. Yeah, the alarm clock over there.
The rooster?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, here comes the rooster. You can tell this is a pine tree by the way that it is. Did they make a decision on food?
Yeah, Japanese. 3 miles away.
What's Japanese? Is that sushi?
Yeah, essentially.
Get some tempura.
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki chicken. Just not a soul here, but these assholes. Bunch of assholes.
Fine.
Well, Wes made a friend. All right, it's dinner time. We didn't want to cook food because there's a fire ban and it's hotter than heck out here, so get some sushi maybe. Let's see what's up.
Boys, cheers, boys. Cheers, boys. Day 2.
Fuck yeah. Sometimes we're fancy.
Sometimes.
Like no chili dogs, Cody?
Not tonight.
We couldn't convince Brandon to get chili dogs. He's like,
My stomach needs a break.
that looks friggin' really good. All right, we're full of sushi. Time to get some weed and beer. Yeah. So I can stop the shakes. I mean mostly so we can stop Max from getting mean. He needs some weed. Max is a weed addict. It's me.
I do the pot.
Also, I drop pot. Okay, I'll drop weed right now.
I'll drop all the weed.
Also, they sell kratom over here. You want to go get some kratom?
Fucking Nick. I mean, he should be coming down there or back that way.
Through the traffic circle?
Yeah. There he is. Alright, that's a good ride, guys. Time to go home.
I mean, I could be wrong. Yeah. Did everyone already have offers for that?
These things are adorable, but I don't want to try one. The Buzzball, was it 12% alcohol? 15, oh my word!
It's
Not
called
good.
a buzz bomb.
Oh, you can smell that from here. That's like cough syrup, dude.
It tastes like.
Oh my.
Good job, guys.
Hell no.
That's not bad at all. That's good. Like, tastes like apple.
A different result, and I couldn't predict. I couldn't do it.
It happens, you know? You end up with just a shitty hand sometimes.
I'm so disappointed.
Double ace to you there.
Moi?
Nicolas.
Beat that.
Beat that off.
Oh, mother. Triple ace.
Beating it off. You beat it off. It's being sleepy over there. Andy won't go touch the go balls.
Later.
That's
where I'm going to sleep.
Later. Just for fun.
No, because that's all I can beat the
Okay,
king
I
with.
get it.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yummy.
Aha!
You cork soaker.
Cork soaking. You fuzzy sock sucker.
This is all some good PG fun.
Right?
I'm having an apple juice.
Hail Satan.
Queefer.
Whoa!
Whoa.
That
You
was
can't
a
play a
jack.
jack on top of a queen.
I know
Yeah,
I
he's
can't.
taking him.
Oh, I was like, what are you doing, Doc? Lose it.
It's like you fucking not lose.
Yeah, head fake him with a card, the idiot goes for it. Lose it, snap, overreact.
Son of a cockwagon.
Cockwagon, I like it.
Nice. Motherfucker.
It's a lot of cocks.
That's a wagon full of cocks.
Yeah.
Like, that's more than a bag of dicks. That's a wagon of
That's an
cocks.
old wagon, yeah.
That's a lot of
At least it's not an 18
You
really.
guys just, alright. That's tough.
That's okay.
Look at all these cards. This is bullshit.
I've been hanging out on
Okay.
that too for a while.
Oh, good.
It's okay.
Reboot.
That's about the
Over to you
only
there,
strategy you could do is
Nikolai.
hang on a 10s and 2s.
That's right.
And aces.
You have so many to choose from.
I know.
Oh,
You guys are
thanks,
dicks.
man. I've been hanging on that floor for a long
Oh,
time.
me too.
Listen, everybody thinks we're gonna lose, but we're gonna win. I have a backwards card.
Who's we?
And
Are you
that's
talking?
fucking- talking to the camera.
Talking to the camera.
We?
Shut the fuck up, Wes. No one's talking to you. You're not part of this.
He's talking to the internet.
I'm gonna win.
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's Wes. Wes is gonna watch this later in 6 weeks or so. Wes is gonna see this and not remember any of it. Fuck you, Wes.
I'm gonna remember that you're losing.
I only lost one time, and then the other time I was only second last. I'll have you know.
Yeah, can you beat a 9?
Can you beat a 9?
I'll fucking beat off a 9. I've had a couple 9s beat me off. I'll have you know, sir.
That's terrible. That's terrible.
I don't know. I thought it was pretty good.
A 9? Like, I mean, all right.
After 10 beers, I mean, what is a 9?
Right?
What are numbers?
I mean, a 6 can be a 9 if he's had enough beers.
It has been. Oh, you cocksucker.
That's right.
Yum.
That's a lot of cards.
There's nothing. Oh my god.
you're gonna need another hand.
Listen, dog.
This is why this game can suck real bad.
That's a whole deck of cards you got there.
It feels painful. I feel like
How
I'm
many
getting.
cards are there?
This is the entire deck
It's
almost.
like
Look
half
at
the
this.
deck. I'm good.
I just had something else happen during the pickup that I wasn't sure about,
Oh, now you're feeling hella good about it.
so it doesn't matter.
Thanks, bud.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that's adorable.
Oh, fuck, I can't still beat that.
Cards and shirts.
Just leave the 6s. Just leave the 6s.
Forks and shirts.
Yeah, don't forget
Fuzzy
about the
socksucker.
knives.
You melon farming son of a diddly.
Did you beat a 6? Did you beat a 6 in your hand?
Can I?
What do you got in that blender?
No. Huh? Whoa.
Oh, sorry.
Easy
Wow.
peasy
excited.
lemon squeezy.
Now I'm excited.
Second place!
First loser!
Yes. First winner, first loser.
Shirt, pal.
Oh, fuck.
Apparently. I swear to God, I'm gonna punch you in the neck. I'm gonna punch you in the neck.
You got they're all kings. Like
They're all low cards. But I got to keep playing this 4 because it's the lowest card.
Yeah, we might have to play one more round just so Nick can win one.
Do it.
Californians are solid though.
What? What do you got? What are you munching on?
Reese's.
Oh, Reese's peanut butter cup.
I'm very happy with my choice.
As you should be. They're one of my favorites.
They're delightful.
Yeah.
If you ever find them,
You
the
see
white.
the ones that are stuffed with like mini Reese's?
So fucking good.
You
They're
get
like
ones that
giant
are-
ones.
You get ones that are stuffed with potato chips.
Yep, those are also good.
Crunchy.
Yeah, they're solid.
I can't
You can also get the thin ones that are made of white chocolate Reese's. Solid.
I've never seen those.
Yeah, look into it.
Okay.
Another tip, nothing to do with Reese's, but around Christmas, I don't know why they only come out around Christmas. They make Oreos covered in white chocolate.
That's a huge transition.
They're like
Why did
fucking
you go
heroin.
there?
No, it's just they're delightful.
They're not better than the birthday cake ones.
They're twice as good.
Man, you just totally took this conversation in a weird.
We're talking snacks, dog.
Okay, I understand, but that train of
Those
thought
birthday cake Oreos are fucking life.
out there.
You think those were good? If you find the Oreo stuffed Oreos, don't even think about it, buy it.
You start doing this and you pull him
Oreos
down a
stuffed
rabbit
Oreos?
hole. He's
Don't
a
even think
victim.
You're
You
lucky
know-
to be along for the ride,
You
goddammit.
know, because you say these things, he will jump right on with you.
Yeah.
He does.
White Corey loves a good snack.
Oh yes, he's a snacker. Look at him over there, just snacking.
Snacking on a dart.
How do I get this to not fucking shuffle?
You hit the button that's the unshuffle button.
Yeah, but
I think it's like a.
Up at the very top. If the 2 arrows, do I do this?
No, it's not working. It's
That's what I
right
was trying
there.
to say in my head.
And I push it,
Well, thank you
and
for
it
doing
says
that.
go back.
you.
Something went wrong.
Well, then you
Go
should
back.
listen to the
Wrong.
phone.
Well done. What do you went wrong?
Where are we going tomorrow?
We are
To the
going
Harley dealership.
Beaverton? Paradise Harley Davidson for a service on Nick's brand new 2023.
30 minutes south of Portland.
Yep.
30 minutes south of Portland. So how far is that from here?
2 hours.
2 hours. So we gotta leave here by 7, grab a coffee.
And so
Are you following me in the bushes?
it's sneaky.
Dude, my
I'm making
pants are undone. That's
Look
weird.
at I'm making it look like it's a trek. Look, we're
It's
so
not a
far.
trick.
Oh my god.
No, I don't.
I'm so
not gonna
scared.
show you my dick.
I'm so scared right now.
Get out of here.
Shh, oh my
You're
god.
such a gross human being. I like you, but get
Not
out.
in that way. Wes, calm down. Like I don't like you like that.
Cody.
Dude, he's over there swiping. All right. Time for bed. Oh god. Oh, it's gonna be chilly. All right, night 2 in the books. 16 or so more nights to go. See ya.